Alright, here we go. These two gay dudes trying to get the axles out, but they don't even know what they're doing.
Yeah, no.
And it's pretty horrible. It's a pretty horrible job. It's a pretty horrible job. Alright, so here is a really cool motor that is dead. It is, let's see if you see it. I don't know where it's at.
No forces at all.
How come this thing didn't pop?
Oh shoot, what did you chip? Huh?
Oh, alright, so it's been an hour and we're still trying to take this thing off.
Yeah, it sucks.
What's going on?
We need the fork, dude. We had the fork on him. Your daddy just wants you to train you how to do it so he can be lazy.
Alright, so we couldn't get the other one to get out. We're going to work on this side first. We're probably going to wait on the fork.
Yeah, I know we should just do that. Hey, can you give me the hammer?
Way cheaper.
Huh?
Super new.
No, it won't go in this thing. Yeah, jump on it. Stop. There it goes. Oh. Ako rin ka toto mo. Nice one. This? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Now we still need the forks.
What? For what?
Alright, we got the axle out, but we were noobs. And then we forgot this is an automatic. So we got transmission fluid everywhere. Now we're back to square one trying to get this one out.
Fucking fail.
You need a big monkey?
No, these fucking Mexican people did a fail ass job. That's what they did.
Did you even do the back ones yet?
Yeah, I'm about to do that.
Look at that. Guess I choose your hose in again.
What hose? Ain't nothing out. The motor comes out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought Leon told me to take out some hoses.
Yeah, the hose already took it yesterday already.
Oh.
Jack it up a little more.
Then that means we could took forever. You try to take out some more hoses.
Hold on.
More? More?
No. Give me the big one.
Now down. No leverage. You gotta put it more down. Yeah.
Hey, what the hell?
Stop John. Why would you put on some aluminum? Oh,
That's what I said.
Boom! It went boom! Oh shoot! Nigga, you crazy. Dude, will this fall down? This part? Will it break that nail? Unplug what? Dang.
There's two right here.
Well, I understand that everything off, man.
No.
Yeah, he just said 3 more screws and then we're good.
Screws in. Pliers? The thing's not even moving. It should just swing, right?
You guys already got the bolt on this side?
Probably not.
What bolt?
Yeah, what bone? Why are you asking us what? We don't know. Same with, like I said, dude, same through everything everywhere. We don't even know where. Huh?
He's not done. There's still another bolt down here.
Really?
Another mount down here. How'd you guys get that? You guys see the compressor?
The air compressor?
Yeah, how much on your bolt?
Alright. Let's go. It's done though. It just needs to be clear. Oh, more over the motion. Dude, no way, dude. It's stuck. See that? I can't even go down. Make it go down. So I'm gonna drop it down a little bit.
Lower down a little bit.
There we go. Damn! Wait, it's still stuck here. We got this part out. Oh shoot, it's still stuck there too. The vessel's still stuck on here. See this big old vessel?
Unbolt that.
What is it?
12. Continue.
I think it's just all you now. Bam, go. So you controlling. Damn, the heart is out. Oh wait. Okay. Everything's good. Shoot! That only took us 2 days.
2 days. 1 day.
Yeah.
Dude, you said it was only gonna take half a day.
Oh wait.
What's wrong? Georgie.
I'm trying to move stuff out of the way. Ready?
They drop you that sound bottom blocks, so it don't matter.
Yeah.
Move that stuff right there. Heart transplant. There you go. Look at that junk. Whoever did that was stupid. You gotta put the wire harness everything this way.
Oh yeah, but then your
What?
your battery's already on the. I mean, your starter is on the car already. So this is just extra.
Okay. Yeah, really hard.
Yeah. So it's still going the same way.
Oh, okay. Dude, don't throw in the finished product.
This is for us, fool.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna edit. Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, you can use that on this thing too?
Yeah. It's the same length.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Same length.
I was like, why are we putting a Civic on this?
Okay. We gotta get the 10. We want to start taking the metal wires apart.
Metal wires.
Hold the motor.
Put it on the one. It should be okay with this, right? Because you're dropping. I bet it's reach one.
Yeah.
Because on your
Run down. 下去啊。reject. Pull the fire. Hold on, guys. It's stuck on the bottom.
They're gonna do this a little bit.
Cool down. Yeah. Yeah, cool down.
Oh, you put the new one already on today?
What?
Map sensor?
Yep. Slowly, watch your fingers. Uh-oh. Pull it. Yeah, pull it. Jim got down. Now you gotta come
this side's gonna go down.
Hold on. Pick it up. Gonna bust that
Oh, we're gonna bust what? I need to go out.
There you go.
Hold on.
We're stuck on this thing right here. Oh no.
Hold on.
What is it sitting on?
No, I'm not sitting on nothing. Drop down a little. Okay.
How are we gonna get the alternator to just start then? Finger, dude.
Yeah, cut that one tight.
You got it?
That time of day again.
Close the door. We'll close the garage door.